La, la, la. So, hi. Sorry for the noises, of course, but yeah, I want to wish you happy birthday. I wish you all the best. I love you so much. I remember how we used to talk day by day, every day. We used to Skype, we used to plan each other, and I hope we can still do that sometime. You're the best friend I could ever ask for. Seriously. You always tell me what's bothering you. You always tell me if you don't like something that I do. And I really appreciate it because you make me a better person. Like, seriously. I'm sorry about my voice. I'm a bit ill again. And it's like practically 4 a.m. now. So yeah, I wish you all the best. You deserve all the best. Like, seriously. I wish you luck, happiness. I hope everything go fine with you. And yeah, I'm just doing one take with this video because I'm tired. I'm sorry it's last minute. I was thinking about that idea one I had, but I couldn't make it. I'm sorry for that. Maybe I'll leave it for the next year. Uh, I still owe you a present, which we talked about. I'm gonna try my best to get it for you. Uh, yeah, you're sweet. You have sweet 16 now. Oh my god, I don't even sound English anymore. Wait, what? Okay, don't mind me. Uh, yeah, you're 16. You're practically an adult. You're my age now. We're both old. No, I'm just kidding, you're an adult. You're, you're the best friend I could ever ask for. Thank you for always being there for me. I'm sorry if there have been times I couldn't be there for you. Sorry I haven't been the best friend, like, ever. But I'll try my best to be a better best friend. And yeah, so I wish you all the best. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I love you so much. Bye.